trying to figure out what is the best PBN hosting for your business, like for you to start building private blog networks. And you guys probably have heard about it. If you're already looking PBN hosting is used to host private blog networks. Those blogs are used to for SEO activities, basically to build blogs in a specific niche and then go about building those blogs that's going to help for the SEO activities by placing backlinks. So all those things are covered if you look at this keyword private blog networks. I have a article written which covers everything about private blog networks. I want you to read below this video. You will see the description, everything you need to know about private blog networks, what is a private blog network, how you can go about building it, and then we have an in-depth, very specific article if you go about reading this one, which calls how to build a private blog network, which actually shows you step by step how to build a private blog network and gives a lot of resources, videos from other experts in the private blog network thing, and more ideas about how it works in 2020, and then how to utilize it, how to identify PBN hosting, SEO hosting, the step-by-step video tutorial exactly showing you how to build a private blog network in the right way, so it really can pass on the SEO power to the linking money side. The reason of a lot of people started saying like PBNs are not working or it's not used to be the way it is, because actually it's true, because PBNs has to be built in the smart way. You have to build a PBN in a specific manner. You can't just buy an expired domain that doesn't even have backlinks and host it on a WordPress hosting and put it up, and normal shared hosting some people actually host, and then try to paste some spam content articles and expect any power to come. It doesn't happen that way. So this private blog network article, I talk actually about how the modern day PBNs has to be built. You can do so many things from PBNs. If you build the PBN in the right way, starting with getting a expired domain. In this article we talk about where to get expired domains, show you some examples about private blog networks, so you can get an idea how should a private blog PBN should look like if you want to get any sort of power. We have a lot of tips from even SEO experts and linking references which you can read. This article, which you can see below of this video, will cover you everything about how to build a PBN network proper way, getting from expired domain, analyzing tools, step-by-step, different videos. If you don't like one guy's video which we are showing how to build a PBN, we show you in another way to simplify it really to a level that you can go about building in a PBN, right? And then we have this guide also that covers about the steps. You need to get the expired domain, how to look at that, how to register it, what registers to look at when it's registering, hosting your PBN, how to host it, what to look at, what are the unique IPs which comes down with the PBN hosting, right? So you can see all those things are covered with the details you can read in this article, which covers about building a private blog network the right way to a level that it really can pass on authentic SEO power to whatever the thing. And I go to details like private blog networks are not just for like sticking links. You can make so much money from private blog networks, which I even linked to a couple of courses on this article. You can see local SEO blueprint is there, and also I linked to some of the articles that you can get and build private blog networks, build it and monetize them. So let's look at the PBN hosting again. So when it comes to PBN hosting, we are the leading hosting company, SeekaHost, with the PBN hosting up to 2,000 unique IPs, locations you can pick from, and the prices are the lowest in the market you can ever get it. Read this page so you can get a full understanding about how PBN hosting works and why the PBN hosting matters when you're going about building private blog network. We've been in this PBN hosting industry for more than half a decade now. Since 2015, we've been playing it. We became the largest PBN hosting provider in the market, which even provides a lot of other PBN sellers. So read this thing, ask any question. Live chat support is there if you want to ask any more questions about PBN hosting. Our support team will really cover you up anything what you want to know about PBN hosting, and then you can choose up a package. You can decide, you can start with the 5 IP. Also, if you want to start with the 1 IP, just say you are really new to PBN hosting, you want to test our thing, ping on the live chat support, ask for a one IP PBN hosting package or a free trial, and then you can get started with your first domain and see how the system works like. And this is the thing. Go to the thing, create an account at SeekaHost, and just get it started as low as just 5 IPs. You can host 5 PBNs for just $6.5 per month. So this is the thing about PBN hosting. And I want you to also read about, some people have confusions about PBNs, like PBN hosting features. So this article you can see below on the description, how PBN hosting in SeekaHost functions, what are things we give, the unique IP addresses, private name servers, custom details, individual cPanel displays, restrictions, and everything like periodic security checks. Everything what we do is covered in this article. You can read. And then if you have any more questions, you can actually go and ask on the live chat support. We have article after article that justifies how PBN hosting works, and it helps for the SEO when you do the right way. Then again, you must build the PBN private blog network the right way. You can read this article again, and for any questions you can ask like our support team, email to us, Gautam at SeekaHost.com, or just send an email to Fernando at SeekaHost.co if you really want support with the PBN domain picking, expired domain evaluations. You want like any support, even if you think like you want to have a call with one of our guys about going about and building your private blog network. We will take you on a Skype call and help you to evaluate how to the domains and to build your right PBN in a strategic manner. And we will give you the local SEO blueprint from SeekaHost University, which covers you everything about local SEO, how to place links on a PBN. So now you build a PBN, and what next is about placing backlinks. So the local SEO blueprint covers everything about PBN link building, which is a big part which you will learn. Thousands of people gone through. So just email this. You to get it, you need to be a customer. You need to at least get a 5 IP or whatsoever and be a customer of PBN hosting. And then once you email the receipt, you'll get the access to the local SEO blueprint, which covers you in-depth things about local SEO. So these are the things we give on top of PBN hosting we offer from SeekaHost, and you can just test drive and you can see why PBN hosting by SeekaHost is the best. And building private blog networks the right way is the future forward. And then not only you can get SEO power, you can even make money from your private blog networks and make those blogs really just normal blogs, blogs that helps you make money, helps you sell guest posting, helps you use it as for SEO, help you link build for your clients, help you place articles from other SEO community people about reviews, guest posts, and things like that. So many things you can do from private blog networks. All those links are below on this video tutorial. And if you have any more questions, if you are having questions like SEO hosting versus PBN hosting, you can read this article, which clarifies you who should get SEO hosting, who should get PBN hosting, why SEO hosting is different to PBN hosting, what's the differentiation from SEO hosting to PBN hosting that SeekaHost offers on this particular page. You can have a full understanding, ask any questions, look through the packages, and if you think you are a much high end, you want to build money sites but still again used for PBN like private blog networks, you can go about and getting SEO hosting, which I'll cover about SEO hosting in another video, and help you to really get started with your private blog network SEO game. In 2020 there are so many things you can do with PBNs. And if you have any questions about private blog networks, just send us an email, support@seekahost.com, and just comment below. If you have any more questions that you want specific answers, just drop a comment below on this video, and then I will answer you personally. Signing off, Fernando Raymond, and I hope you're having a good year this year.